Hello, everyone. I am Mr. Jet Set Inc. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Drink With Me Around the World. This is a very special episode where we're on the Brisa Elegante here in Quepos, Costa Rica. I got my pina colada. We're waiting on the other drinks, but all right. And then that's the Brisa Elegante.
I got a Brisa Elegante.
See? See, it's colorful. All right. Cheers. Salud. Let's enjoy it. And I put on sunscreen before we got here. So, ooh, wow, this is good. You see how I really gonna like this idea? Look at this. Who's got content like this? Content like this? Let me show y'all a little bit about what's going on over there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You want to try it? Let me try yours. See how I told you the Brisa Elegante was a good choice. Oh, yeah. So, oh, this got a star fruit. So this is the Brisa Elegante. Look how beautiful this is. On a boat. Here, we're switching drinks. Oh no, I like mine.
What's going on over there? It's like maybe a little animal.
Is that dolphins?
I was thinking that.
You think we found dolphins? See, that's the good thing. I can just snap to it.
Ooh, that's strong.
Yeah. Yours is pretty strong. It doesn't. Mine tastes better.
Oh, that's cute. I just noticed that.
I told you, the little starfish. You want my drink real quick? I think I'm gonna be a little bit more mobile with this episode. So we're gonna be a little bit more mobile with this episode because
I kind of want to take a video really quick.
I know. Don't worry. See, I'm prepared for everything right now. Yes, I am prepared for everything right now. Yes. Ooh. Ooh. All right. Almost fell a little bit there. But there's the boat. We got everything right here. Yeah. This is literally the perfect day to sail like this. Oh my God. And you know in Costa Rica it rains a lot. Okay. I'm gonna have to do it like this. All right, hold my drink real quick. Thank you. That right there is Cindy. She's my employee, my first one. Okay, my first employee. All right, let's see. I'm gonna go up there. All right, this is where we're going. It's at 10 seconds. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do less than 10 seconds, okay? That's what it looks like. All right, and I'm done because this is not stable. This is kind of dangerous. Whew. All right. I would need two hands for that. To go up there. It's very shaky. Do you mind? Haha. Just pop this out real quick. Yeah. Oh no, we got the islands in the background. Don't say I don't take you spots.
How you doing, sir?
Don't say I don't take you places. There is a lot to do and a lot to see. See, and the mic, this mic was worth everything. Well, actually, let me make it a little more comfortable. Hold it. Because one thing I like it is that it comes with a magnet. Oh, hold it, yeah. Okay, I thought I turned it off. So look, there's a little magnet. Wow. Hands free. Worry free. Life is super rough right now. Life. Oh, can you get my sunglasses? Please? In the bag? In the case? Now I'm double fisted. I just wanted her drink, to be honest.
You want a fruit?
Yes, please. That'd be great. Oh, wow, look, that person is on the boat. Huh? Mango and watermelon, please. They don't have like little plates where you can do like a little plate of it? Sí, estamos bien, estamos bien. Dile salud, dile salud. Pura vida.
Para poner los tragos.
Ah, perfecto. Mira, esto lo está haciendo de dos lados. Chequea. So hay dos cámaras para ahí y el otro.
¿Está aquí en vivo ahí? ¿Okay?
Sí, no, un video, sí.
Estamos aquí directo desde Costa Rica, pura vida.
Pura vida. Oh, yes. I love my life. Look at this. This is so nice. You see, this is why it's good to record things, because now you get to remember it. As you get older, you lose your memory. But watch, I'm gonna dip this watermelon in the pina colada. Huh?
You already lose your memory without being old.
Whatever. Y'all didn't hear that. She's my biggest hater.
You love me.
Mm. You see all the boats and stuff? Oh my God, it's just beautiful right now. Like all the boats crossing over.
I don't see that. Oh,
They're ahead of us.
sunglasses came in clutch thanks to Memo. He really hated my glasses.
Huh?
He really hated my glasses.
I hated your glasses.
But why?
They didn't look good. What do you mean? That was the only reason to hate them.
I thought they looked cute.
That was the problem.
Maybe the closest ones to you.
Memo got you new sunglasses for that reason. They didn't look good. We got little birds, little pelicans on the left. It would be really dope if I get some dolphins on this episode.
I think we'll get some. Oh, look, the little ducks.
Pelicans, not ducks.
Oh, they're not ducks?
No. That's where we were yesterday.
Yeah, that's where I almost died.
Literally.
Yeah, I'm sure everybody where I almost died.
So Cindy was in her first rip current yesterday. She didn't do too hot, but we got very fortunate that as soon as I realized that she was not going to be calm, she was going to probably start drowning, I started yelling for help.
She was not going to make it.
She wasn't going to, no, really, literally. Like,
Almost died.
my plan, I was watching her and she was trying to swim, like she was laying down, looking up. And yeah, no, the wave crashed on her. She was choking. I was like, she's not staying calm. So I started yelling for help, and literally within like 10 seconds, a jet ski pulled up and it saved us. And it was so quick, I didn't even have time to stress. But my plan was literally, I had to let her drown because I couldn't save her, I couldn't help her.
You have to die too.
Okay, whatever. was to help her, or let her drown and then pull her body in because she wasn't gonna kill me.
You were gonna die with me. Till death do us part, sweetheart.
Mm.
I would have got you at some point. We're dying together.
She's Nicaragüense, okay? She's Latina. That's a very Latina statement.
Why would you
But,
want to be in a world where I'm not in?
Mm.
That's crazy.
But yeah, she was in her first rip current. She didn't do too hot, but I think we're prepared now. I think you'll do fine. You'll do fine next time?
Yeah, I have a little life jacket.
Well, there's not always gonna be a life jacket.
Well, I'm gonna try to make one.
What's your name, my friend?
You're gonna travel with a life jacket?
Yes.
I'd love to see that.
Today is a beautiful day. We
Look
gotta
at how
look it.
Super beautiful.
See, we gotta look
I mean, like, it's the best day.
Sometimes it's dark, okay, with by the weather, okay. And see, too wavy.
And we almost didn't
sometimes
come.
it's
I saw on the weather app it was gonna rain today, but you never trust it.
see. Yeah, sometimes the moment is like this, and 1 hour is.
There's no cloud in sight. We'll have a beautiful sunny day probably the whole day.
Beautiful, beautiful day.
There's barely any breeze too. I even got them on the video. Pura vida.
No,
I'm
I
telling
was
you.
there.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Saw it.
It's lit. I'm telling you. I'm on a divine path right now. Cheers. Oh, remember? Let's
Oh, what was it?
Yeah.
Vida, basura?
Ah, no, uno más. Sí.
Gracias, gracias. Damn, this shit is lit.
Hmm?
And we almost missed this. This shit is lit.
Thank you for helping with it, though.
This is awesome.
This is awesome.
See, this is what I prefer. Like, instead of the hike, I love this instead.
I like, and you see the wood boat adds character to it, not the.
No, but I'm saying, like with the mosquitoes and everything. Like,
Um,
there's no mosquitoes right here.
Yeah, mosquitoes can't fly this far up.
No. Like, I'm not stressed.
Like, look at that island. Let's see. Let's pull y'all in a little bit. Look at that island over there in the distance. Beautiful. I mean, hopefully y'all can see it. The sun is right in the camera, but yeah. It's really nice. And these sunglasses came in clutch.
Where are you guys from?
I'm from the Virgin Islands.
I'm from Nebraska.
Yeah.
Cornfield.
Two worlds collide. Yeah.
All right, where are you guys from?
San Francisco.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
it's
more
so
Californians,
expensive out
yeah.
there.
Yeah. It's what?
It's so expensive out there.
Very. Yeah.
But it's nice.
Yeah.
You guys
I was born out there, so
You guys got good food.
grew up there.
Mm.
Yeah.
San
I
Fran.
like it.
Have you been to San Francisco? Oh
I
yeah, you
went to
did.
go watch the Raiders play when they were there.
I went to a pride parade there once.
That was a really good
So
game.
have you been to Vegas?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I haven't watched them play in Vegas, but for sure in San Francisco.
Yeah.
Oakland.
Yep.
You were in Oakland.
Yep.
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about San Francisco?
Well, I like that it's a bay. And it's
Okay.
actually a very small town feeling.
Okay,
It
really?
is. Yes, very. It's neighborhood. It's very small town.
Huh.
Neighborhoods. Skylar lived in the Marina district.
I did, yeah.
Oh.
It's nice.
Do you like alcohol?
Yes.
Maybe a little bit.
Social?
Yeah, maybe a little.
Love it.
You love it? Alcohol and socialism on the marina?
There's not a lot. I meant social, like social.
Yeah, of course.
There's not a lot of people from San Francisco
Uh-huh.
that are like, I was in my mid 20s, late 20s.
Uh-huh.
Everyone kind of
Okay,
comes
you
from
can
somewhere
stop.
else. It's really
Stop
easy to meet
so I can
people.
get you.
Ah.
So I was from Minnesota originally.
We
Oh.
went there, remember?
Yeah, we did, yeah.
Pirate.
That's a cute spot.
Huh.
Put up your
Oh, yeah.
sword.
Yeah, I grew up 45 minutes
There you
south of the
go.
Canadian border.
Okay, great.
Oh,
Gee, so you're Canadian. I'm joking.
More or less.
Joking.
My accent.
Yeah.
Oh, do you speak French by chance?
No, that's
No?
more on the coast.
Ah, man.
The
Mm.
accent is the long O's to make it sound like
Yeah, alone.
it has an accent.
Yeah.
Have you made it to Nebraska yet?
I played hockey in Nebraska and Omaha.
Oh, no, yeah, I'm from Omaha.
Okay, so
Yeah.
the Lancers, if you don't even heard
Yep,
them, like
yep,
a
yep,
junior
the
team.
Lancers, yep.
So out of high school, I played for a team that competed with them.
Oh, nice.
Very
What do
cool.
you think about Omaha?
Wait, we got fishes over there.
It's changed so much.
We got something over there.
Yeah,
Did you make it to the zoo?
I did not at the time. No.
We have like the best zoo ever. Oh, what is that?
There's fishes. Maybe there's dolphins nearby.
Yeah, that means there's bigger fish pushing them up.
Oh, there's some over there too.
Let me show y'all. Let's see if they splash up. Oh, literally, no. Mm-hmm. Look, you see the beach, you see the coast, you see the mountains with clouds all in one shot. All in one shot. And then you see islands off the coast. This is the most beautiful day.
So that's the US, right?
U.S. territory, yeah.
Dubai?
We live in Dubai. I'm from Egypt.
Ah.
Yes, I am.
That is right now on my number one like bucket list right now to go.
Really?
Yes, I have to go to Egypt.
I
Literally.
think everyone has to go to Egypt.
It's
I love
gorgeous.
the Egyptology and everything to visit.
The museum right
Yeah.
now that they just opened.
Everyone is wow about it. You know?
I cannot wait to make it.
Yeah, I can't imagine. I can't imagine.
I
Same
cannot
here.
die yet, so I go to Egypt. Then you can take me out. How's Dubai?
It's amazing. It's amazing. Yeah.
Oh, I bet.
Good life, no taxes. Good quality of life, no taxes, and very safe.
No taxes, one more time. no taxes. That's a huge plus for,
Oh,
yeah.
man. Yeah, that's beautiful.
Ah.
See,
I'm very
I've been to
fortunate.
Dubai, but I haven't made it to Dubai.
And I lived in Egypt for a year, yeah.
Really?
Yeah. In Cairo, yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. I got this big tattoo right here from my time there in Egypt, yeah.
Can I read?
Yeah. Let's see if you can translate it, yeah.
Of course I can.
It's two ways, it's two for.
لقد عشت وحصلت قبل أن أموت. So I lived and حصلت, like I reached before I die.
Yep, there you go. I have lived.
Do you read Arabic too?
Yeah, it's my mother tongue. Laugh is the best medicine.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah, no, I cannot wait to.
It's always nice to see that your tattoo means what it's supposed to mean,
Yeah.
You know?
I'm a tattoo artist, and someone brought me Arabic letters, a word,
Yeah?
or no, it was a phrase. It did not mean what it was supposed to mean.
Wow.
Because one of my Arabic friends was
And
like,
for the pictures.
Oh, why not? Yes, I am a pirate. Let's see. All right.
"You're gold."
Arr, matey.
Hey, don't worry, don't kill me.
You scallywagon. You scally. I'm Captain Dushy Valencia.
Of which boat?
It's future. It's to come. It's in process. It's building right now. Okay, it's in building. Okay, they're just putting in the finishing touches. Okay, just like 10 more years. No,
Are they coming back to take a picture, or
no, that's it. It's just us right here,
Oh.
chilling, cruising. This thing was like the best event. Oh, this is a pretty nice angle. There you go, that's better. All right, everyone, thank you so much for joining me on another episode of Drink With Me Around the World. It has been fun. I'll try to see if I can get some dolphins for y'all, but let's say our finals. Cheers, right? Since it's rum, there's rum in this pina colada, right? A drink for you, a drink for me, upon a boat, across the sea. We drink the lot and have some fun. Yo ho ho, and a bottle of rum. Cheers. I'll see you at the next spot.